Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove business portfolio on Facebook Meta Business Suite. The Meta Business account, sometimes called the Business Manager account, was renamed. It's now known as a business portfolio. Once you delete your business portfolio in Meta Business Manager, this action can't be reversed. When you delete a business portfolio, you also delete the content you've created, managed, shared, and used. When you delete a business portfolio, it permanently erases event source groups, asset library, projects. Note: deleting your business portfolio will not delete any connected WhatsApp business accounts, but you must remove any connected WhatsApp business accounts from your Meta Business account before you can delete the business portfolio. When you delete your business portfolio, Meta also removes any access you have to another business assets, such as their pages, ad accounts, and Meta Pixels. Any permissions you've shared with another business will also be removed. Pages. Pages added to your business portfolio can be moved to a different business portfolio or be moved back to the personal profile of the page owner. For example, if someone shared access to their page with you, that page gets reverted to their personal profile. Likewise, if you created the page yourself, it gets reverted to your personal profile. Before you begin, you must have full control of the business portfolio you want to delete. To delete your business portfolio in Business Manager, open Business Settings, then click Business Information in the left corner. Then, click Permanently Delete Business on the right side and follow the on-screen instructions. To ensure the security of every business, your business will be pending deletion for 24 hours. After 24 hours, deleted businesses can't be reopened. Note: all business portfolios are eligible for deletion. To continue working on pages and ad accounts, people should use their personal Facebook account to access them. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.